should do the handshake now. Yes, that's what it's good to do.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Minister.
Very well indeed.
Very good to see you.
Thank you, Ambassador. Yes, I think we go this side, this side.
Oh, very good.
Well, welcome to my office this morning. I know it's for diplomatic.
I think, Minister, you probably do, but can I just...
Director of Legal Services in the Ministry.
Welcome again. Thank you. Hello. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. I know how busy you are, so thank you so much for sparing the time.
Thank you. Hello.
Prime Minister, right on the Prime Minister. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Well, that's right, I understand completely.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean, this is a side and there's so many.
Thank you. It's very, very nice to be back here.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the press. We have also looked at the regional issues, particularly Somalia. As you know that Parliament has now been formed and the government formed. The president is going to be elected shortly. And we would like to see that the process of bringing normalcy back to Somalia is continued. It is our wish, as well as that of EU, that the process that has started is continued. And I have urged the EU to remain engaged along with the other international actors in the scene in Somalia.
And we will continue as the European Union to work closely with our partners, this country, Kenya, with the African Union, with the region, to help the people of Somalia find that peace and security. We have 3 missions that are in operation. The training mission in support of ensuring that stability and security can come to Somalia. The mission to help with maritime security for the region, a new mission. And the mission Atalanta, which has been collaborating with Kenya and its navy, with many other countries and their naval forces and their aircraft and helicopter surveillance in order to try and prevent piracy. Yeah, of course.
Would have loved to see you.
Okay.
Mr. Kajay.
Good.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Chief, not the public.